All right. Well, she's not in a lockup anymore, which is why she's here. Uh, we are moving forward very, very swiftly to our next special session with, of course, actor Akanksha Chamola. She's also an awardee. She'll be felicitated also very, very soon. But firstly, thank you so much for being with us. And this is the first big conclave and the first big award function you were at after your successful reality show. So how does it feel? And thank you for joining us in Delhi.
Thank you for having me over. And obviously, I feel super excited. Like, I have a lot of mixed emotions. I'm very nervous because, like you mentioned, this is my first ever, not just after lockup, like, first ever in my entire lifetime. So, yeah.
Lovely.
Be kind to me.
नहीं, I will. Firsts are always special, but मैं आपको बता दूं दर्शकों की वाकई में खूब चर्चा इनकी हो रही है. आजकल बड़ी चर्चा होती है paparazzi के बारे में. So I also got a lot of calls from the paps of Delhi yesterday evening. Yes, there are paps in Delhi only. They are not only paps in Mumbai. And they all said, "Bhai, what time is Akanksha Chamola coming?" So when they ask you for someone, there's huge demand, at least on social media. And these days, social media is driving trends.
Yeah. So, I'm famous for all the right and wrong reasons both.
Okay. But, you're being honored today with the NewsX Shakti Award for Excellence. Firstly, where do you derive your inner Shakti from?
Me, I think I derive it from my mother, first of all, and then from all the women that have been a part of my life, who have always supported me, guided me, hated me. They also play a very important role. So yeah, that's about it. Like, the first thing comes basically from my family, and then of course I am a huge Mata Rani Bhakt. तो उनसे भी आ ही जाती है. माँ शक्ति से शक्ति तो मिल ही जाती है.
बिल्कुल. Also, your category is power pack performances.
Right.
अब तक का सबसे power pack performance कौन सा आपको लगता रहा है आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी और आपके रील हिस्ट्री में?
I think सबसे power packed performance रहा है me being my own self. I don't think इससे कोई better example मैं दे सकती हूँ. In my entire career, I have played many roles. I've been versatile. I've played, antagonist, protagonist. I've entered a reality platform, and I guess the only reason why I've created so much buzz around my own self is because of the way I am. So this is the only thing that I can say, that this has been more power packed than anything, because somewhere down the line, the entire nation, the audiences, they have been so intrigued by this particular Akanksha Chamola that they want to know more. Like, they want to know more about my work. They want to know more about my personal life. So I think there's this insatiable hunger that people have for me, and I couldn't have asked for more.
Is that why you did Netflix's Lockup, so that people could discover the real you?
Yes, why not? Because I guess apart from the characters that I've played on screen, this is what you can see me in actual. Like, this is my real personality. And I've always been open to judgments. I've never feared away from that. So yeah, go ahead, judge me all you want. I'm there for you. Do your job.
This is a news platform. On our news channel these days, we've been talking about Meta. And the government has had some questions for Meta. मैंने सुना आकांक्षा का भी एक सवाल है मेटा से कि आपको अपना यूजर नेम चेंज करवाना है.
यार, ये बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत हो गई है, बिकॉज अनफॉर्चुनेटली या फॉर्चुनेटली जो वेरीफाइड अकाउंट्स होते हैं, जो ऑर्गेनिकली वेरीफाई होते हैं, वेर वी नॉट पेड टू गेट दैट ब्लू टिक, वंस यू गेट वेरीफाइड organically, then now if you want to change your username, there is a very big protocol and they don't allow you that. So now I have to desperately reach Meta people. I'm like, please get in touch with me because I do want to change my username. So that's the thing, because I think it's because of the safety protocols and stuff like that, which is also a very good thing, but then it's a very tedious process.
Okay.
Can you help me out in that?
Well, maybe some people in the
do
audience
we have
can
Meta
help
people in
you. You
here?
come to Delhi where all the Meta officials are these days, so maybe they can help you.
Yeah, please, please, please. I desperately need to change my name.
But obviously you want to change your name now because you are sure that you want this split with Gaurav Khanna. The divorce is going to happen?
It is happening. I don't know why is everyone asking me that. It is definitely happening. It was happening way before I entered the show. It was happening way before Gaurav entered Khatron Ke Khiladi. It's just that we've not been able to find that proper time to sit and sign the documents yet because of time clashing. And work schedules and everything like that. So it's very difficult. Unlike what people think, life is not that easy when you are an actor.
Yeah.
Because, you know, when you both are struggling and, you know, trying to have your own schedules and stuff, not everything is the way you want it to happen in that sense. So yes, it is happening for sure.
Because as you said in Lockup that it's been on for a year.
Yeah,
But
it's been on for a year.
interestingly, Gaurav didn't mention it at all in Big Boss.
No, so I had mentioned that we've been separated for 18 months. Divorce decision happened like 2 months prior to lockup. So that would have been like sometime before he entered Khatro Ke Khiladi. So for us to genuinely decide that, okay, fine, things are not working out, because we took time for that. We took 18 months to decide on the fact that, okay, fine, we don't think we are meant to be with each other. We don't think that, okay, you know, marriage is something which is there for us now in future. So that was it. So when I mentioned in lockup, what I mentioned was that we've been living separately for 18 months. Divorce happened. The decision to, you know, legally part ways happened just 2 months prior.
Okay. And you know what is also refreshing is the fact that you are, you know, so honest about everything as well. Do you believe that is also something that makes you a woman achiever, that you don't shy away from any conversation at all?
But why should I? Like I said, I am a person, I have always preferred, like, I think this is how I've been brought up. बचपन में बोलते थे ना झूठ बोलने से पाप लगता है, मैंने वो बहुत सीरियसली ले लिया था. तो मेरे, like, I can't lie, I cannot lie, and this is a platform where I get everything from the audience. So if I can't be honest to my audience, I can't be honest to anything.
You're looking very stylish today. Is yellow one of your favorite colors?
Yeah. This is a Sattvic color.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also, you know, yes.
Oh, we have an
there's
applaud. Who was that?
तालियां बज गई
Thank you.
उस ख्याल के लिए. Also, do you like wearing traditional?
I love wearing traditionals. Love wearing traditional. But मेरा एक ही problem है. I wait for, you know, our Indian festivals to happen. अच्छा आज ये दिन है तो आज मैं ये पहनूंगी. But like I thrive for such occasions कि हाँ यार मैं सारी. So the first thing I mentioned, I reached this place and I mentioned my PR team and I'm like, I'm so glad I wore a sari today. So yeah, this is how I am. I love wearing
You're looking
traditionals.
absolutely beautiful. So you made the right choice.
Thank
अब
you.
दिल्ली आए हो तो दिल्ली का खाना चखा?
मैं डाइट पे हूँ. मैंने सिर्फ फल खाए हैं, बट मेरे लिए लाए थे शकरकंदी का चाट, मेरे लिए मंगाया. इसके बाद मैं बहुत खाऊंगी. लाइक आई थिंक अभी रिसेंटली मैं बहुत फेमस भी हुई हूँ फॉर माई फीस्टिंग, तो मैं दिल्ली में फीस्ट करके ही जाऊंगी.
बट ये यू नो एक्टर के लिए बड़ा मुश्किल होता है टू कंट्रोल, बिकॉज यू हैव टू लुक गुड,
Yeah.
बट यू हैव टू ऑल्सो यू नो हाउ डू यू बैलेंस द टू, योर फिटनेस and of course also sometimes having these cheat days?
Bro, I'm not managing. जब भी मुझे कोई बोलता है ना, how are you managing? I can't manage. I have to be very honest. There are times when, you know, you can see it in my profile, in my work, like everything that is out there. There are times when I'm like very chiseled, very well toned and everything, and there are times when, you know, I'm like very chubby and, you know, like curvy and stuff. So I'm not managing. I'm also struggling. Manage तो नहीं हो रहा मुझसे.
आपके लिए was Shreya the deserving winner of Lockup?
Dude, having said that, Shreya is the winner of Lockup. Whatever I say doesn't change the fact that, okay, she is the winner of Lockup.
But-
Deserving or no, यार मैं कौन होती हूँ decide करने वाली? वो तो फिर उन लोग ने decide कर लिया. But if you ask me, I think I should have been the winner of Lockup. Yeah.
How many of you
Because
agree
जिस
with that?
हिसाब से, जिस इंटेंसिटी से मैंने अपनी लाइफ को ऐसे सबके सामने फैला के रख दिया था, then I think obviously ना, the show was about owning your truth. सच या सजा, सच तो मैंने बता दिया था, सजा भी मुझे मिली गई थी वहां पे काफी सारी, तो उस हिसाब से आई थिंक मैं डिजर्विंग थी. बट ठीक है, लाइक वो है तो है.
Okay, very quickly, आपकी कहानी, आपकी जुबानी, how did you get into this field? How was your childhood? How did this happen for you, this journey in films and television?
Childhood was very naughty, extremely troublesome for my parents. I was never, you know, बचपन से कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको मिमिक्री का शौक होता है, जो एक्टिंग करते हैं, स्टेज करते हैं. मैं कभी नहीं थी, मैं सिर्फ नाचती रहती थी, एंड उसी के लिए मैं बहुत वायरल भी हो चुकी हूँ. शौकिया डांसर हूँ मैं. And eventually I landed up into modeling, to which my mother was the one, like my Shakti was the one who told me that कि कब तक करेंगे, you know, there's a shelf life to that, so why don't you, you know, train yourself, know how to face the camera, start acting. So I did a very small crash course. Then I auditioned, and I was very lucky and fortunate enough to just crack the first audition I got through. From like I think I was signed up by a very big production house, Rashmi Sharma, and they gave me 2 serials back to back. And then I met my husband. Then I got married. Then I did 1 serial for ZTV, and then I had a very big sabbatical. Until then, you know, things happened. COVID happened. A lot of things happened. And then I think I resumed my career again in 2025. So I think my life completely took a very big U-turn in 2025, where I again joined ZTV. I did with Malhar Productions, Kaise Mujhe Tum Mil Gaye. I did OTT, and then lockup happened.
And now the future?
Now the future, yeah, you'll see me in many things.
What are you manifesting?
Me, I'm manifesting everything. Like, I want to go Bollywood, I want to go Hollywood, I want to do OTT, I want to do everything. Like, for me, sky is the limit right now. I don't want to restrict myself to anything. I'm open to everything.
So wonderful to hear that. Okay, Akanksha, before we conclude rapid fire, तैयार हो?
हाय यार, ये आपने किसी और के साथ नहीं किया था?
Let's go. Let's go.
ये
Let's
तो
go.
चीटिंग हुई ना?
नहीं. हैम्पर भी मिलेगा शायद.
अच्छा, हाँ. हैम्पर क्या है वो बताओ, फिर मैं वैसे जवाब दूंगी.
Okay. वो जवाबों पे डिपेंड करेगा.
यार मुझसे जवाब मत पूछो, मैं बहुत स्कैंडलस हूँ.
चलो तो वही तो चाहिए आज. No, I'm just joking.
ये नहीं बोला था मुझे.
No.
Okay, ready.
Beaches or mountains?
Me? I'm a pahadi. So obviously mountains.
Okay. Go-to dish, अगर आकांक्षा के चेहरे पर मुस्कान लानी है, what dish should be presented to you? Favorite?
Anything with peanuts. I'm a huge peanut fan. Anything with peanuts.
Oh.
दे दो, मैं वहीं पे स्माइल कर दूंगी. बहुत सस्ती सुंदर टिका हूँ मैं.
One person you are most in touch with after lockup from the season?
Pam. Pam.
And one person you don't want to be in touch with at all?
Everyone knows that's Shreya. I mean, it was so obvious.
Yes, okay. Very quickly now, one piece of advice you would give your 18-year-old self?
Just do whatever you've been doing. Learn from all your mistakes. Be as unhinged as you are. Please किसी की बात मत सुनना. जैसे नहीं सुना है, just do whatever you feel like doing. And आज जो भी मिला है, I think वो 18 years old वजिक से ही मिला है.
आपकी जिंदगी पर किताब लिखी जाए, what would be the title?
Me? क्या हो सकता है? चमोला का स्कैंडल.
That's more like a biopic than a book.
That's more like a biopic,
Yes,
right?
so for all the producers listening. And finally, your message to all the trolls.
I have no message for the trolls. The trolls can keep on coming. I have always lived by this thing since the time I've been on social media कि शायद लोगों को ये समझ में नहीं आता, but आप मुझे जितना गाली देते हो ना, उतना मैं लाइफ में और बढ़ती हूँ. I thrive in that because that gives me more power to prove all of y'all wrong. So, and trolls are these people, matlab, they are faceless people. They don't have a voice of their own. They are hiding behind these dummy accounts and profiles and stuff like that. I don't think आप इनको आपके सामने खड़ा करोगे तो किसी में इतना भी दम होगा कि वो आपको 2 शब्द भी बोल पाए. तो इनकी बातों से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. और अगर आपको पड़ भी रहा है तो please understand they are not important. What you're doing is something which is of the utmost relevance. Yeah. And also the fact, if you're being trolled, there was this one person, very big personality, who said this. Only when you're successful, only when you are desirable, and only when you are that aspect of jealousy, that is the time when you are going to get trolled. So if you're getting trolled, you're doing something very good. Please be very proud about it.
Oh, that's good advice also to, the young women, the young girls also here today who often sometimes get pressurized by...
Do not get pressurized. See, I have this one thing where I have lived by this code. One is, A, if I don't respect you. B, if I'm not inspired by you, whatever opinion or advice you have for me, I'm so sorry. I don't care.
We'll beep that, of course.
Yeah, we'll beep that.
Yeah.
I don't care because if I don't respect you,
yeah.
and if I'm not inspired by you, whatever you're saying will not matter to me because that's about it. So you decide किसकी बात आपको सुननी है और किसकी नहीं सुननी है.
Thank you so much for joining
You're
us,
welcome.
Akanksha Chamola. Many thanks to being with us today and congratulations. And as you said, with that last answer, you showed how bare and how real you are. Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you.